You knew what would happen if we crossed him, and yet you did it anyway.
Some truths cost more than silence.
This isn't wine.
Say that again, quietly.
Someone accessed the evidence locker and planted this here. You're too late.
Who are you?
Hello, to get exact video of what we just finished watching, you go to ChatGPT. This time around, you are giving a ChatGPT the prompts. You say, give me a 60-second script for a binge-watch soap opera titled The Third Glass of Wine and leave it with a binge hanger. This is what ChatGPT gave us. Gave us the narrator, the characters. Gave us two characters, the Elena and Adrian. This is what, wow, it looks so nice. So let's head over to ChatGPT again to give ChatGPT another prompt. This time around, you want to know the features of each characters. You tell ChatGPT to describe this. Elena is a light-skinned black African lady with a curly hair. Adrian, a light-skinned black African guy or man on a short hair. Then allow the ChatGPT to give us those features we requested for. Look at it. Then you give it the third prompt. So this is our third prompt. Create me prompt for each scene with 2 angles and lip sync. I'm using VO3. Create each prompt one at a time. Then look at what ChatGPT gave us. ChatGPT gave us scene 1. It gave us synaptic soap opera. Gave us angle 1, angle 2, character 1, character 2. Then on the left side of your screen, click on create image. You want to generate images of those two characters that was those two characters that were generated. At the left side of your screen, click on create image. Go to the first prompt that we gave to ChatGPT that gave us features, that gave us appearance, personalities, and all that. Then copy those features. Copy. Go down to where it say create image, paste, then allow it to send. You want to generate images of character 1 and character 2. You go again, go back to those features, copy Adrian's features, just copy, go down to the left side of your screen, then paste to generate the second image. So let's generate our video from those images that were generated. You go to your Google Chrome, type labs.google/flow. We are using flow. An interface like this will appear. Click on flow. Then an interface like this will appear as well. You hit on new projects. At the left side of your screen, click on that place that was circled. You click on ingredient to video. You want to generate our videos. Click on ingredient to video. Go back to ChatGPT. The same one that ChatGPT gave us, you copy everything. The only scene 1, copy the whole scene 1. Copy. Okay, you copy the whole scene 1. Copy. Go back to flow and paste. Go back to flow, paste. Let's wait for our video to generate. It takes a while. Usually to save a lot of time, once the video is generating, if you want to generate more scenes, you go back. As the first video is generated, you go back to ChatGPT, copy the second scene, go back to flow, paste. The two can be loading at the same time. You don't need to wait. Now that we are done generating our images, our videos, now let's edit using our CapCut. You go to your CapCut, click on click at the video you want to upload. Let's look for it. Then upload. Me, I want to add caption to my video. Go to your text. You can choose if you want the text to be animated or not. Me, I want mine to be animated. I chose the first one. Somewhere in Texas, 6:47 p.m. Somewhere in Texas, 6:47 p.m. Look at it. Drag it. I want it to be down. Drag it to the left bottom of the screen. I'm resizing it. So let's add audio to our video. Left side of your screen, click on audio, extract. For me, I prefer direct recording. You can record direct or you extract. Then I prefer soap opera with red and white icon to avoid copyright issues. So click on the blue box there to select the particular audio you want. Select. Then this our audio has been selected. Our music background has been selected. Then you drag it. You can actually increase the volume of the video, increase the volume, or you can reduce it. That's the music background. Me, I prefer to reduce it so it won't interfere with our video. Okay. Now that we've added our audio, our text, at the end of your video, you can just put a caption to be continued. The way I just did it, select the animation, you want it to be animated or not. Me, I prefer animation. Then to be continued, drag it up. You can increase the size or reduce depending on what you want. Then you can export, wait for it to export. Kindly like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.